Hi there, I'm David from DB Chartered Accountants. Even before the coronavirus pandemic hit us, there was a change afoot whereby HMRC were driving everyone onto digital bookkeeping as part of their Making Tax Digital initiative. The businesses that were VAT registered with a turnover over 85,000 became the first to be affected by this in April 19. Everyone else should have come on board at April this year, but due to Brexit, this was pushed on a year to April 2021. In view of the present issues with coronavirus, this might even be delayed further. However, this is something that will be on us, if not sooner than later. When it does, then this will impose two additional costs onto business owners. One is the cost of the digital software needed to do the bookkeeping. The other is the cost of your time in dealing with the learning curve to make the change over, and also to learn how to use the new software. The market leaders in the bookkeeping software are undoubtedly QuickBooks and Xero. These usually offer a discounted price for say 6 months in order to lure you in. At the moment, all such providers are competing for market share, and typical costs of software is in the region of £200 to £300 per year. However, Making Tax Digital, when it comes into force, then you will be compelled to use someone's software, and inertia will result in you remaining with that provider because of the time and effort involved in moving, which would discourage people from doing so. At that point, I personally worry about how the software companies will use their monopoly positions and increase their prices. The other major cost is your time. Despite adverts giving you the impression that all you've got to do is take an image of your expenses on your phone and that's it, your taxes are done, the new programs are complex. And as they pack in more and more features in them, they get even more complex. If someone takes one on board, they need to devote time to learning not only how to use the software, but how to control the information that they are putting into it. When Making Tax Digital compels you to make the change, you will almost certainly be busy trying to get your business back into gear after the present lockdown. Now you have the time, and it would be a good idea to use this time to move your bookkeeping to a digital format, rather than delay it and try and do it when you don't have much time available to you. I personally have devoted over 40 years in trying to get clients to do their bookkeeping better. I'm aware that business owners fall usually into two unequal camps. The smaller camp are those who really get a buzz out of doing their bookkeeping and love the new software with all the added features and the apps that link into them. The majority of people, however, see bookkeeping as an unwanted task that they simply want to get done at the least possible cost to themselves. Realizing this was the case, at DEB we created Debonair, our own online program that's been built to be as simple as possible, with a learning curve that's small. It's so small that we provide the training for Debonair free, and also provide the software free to any client paying us to do their accounts. Whichever way you intend coping with the demands of Making Tax Digital, now is the time that you have the time to devote to this. It's better to deal with this change now rather than later, when you will not have the time. We've been helping people responding to our video blogs and using our free DEB helpline by both telephone calls and emails. If we can help you with advice about your bookkeeping options, please don't hesitate to contact us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with others to help them as well. Please keep well and safe. Bye for now.